insist nadonsa insist
watching this from home with his advocacy and insist to company in tune in to the ancestral, to the spiritual corner. So that gotcha, baby, the number one network. So okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get straight to today's show. So on today's show, so basically, okay, let me give you a wild guess, right? Abantu laba mfethu sihamba like siyaphila nabo, and then now they become descendants. Siphinde siphile nabo futhi. Can you guess that one out? Okay, probably not. Okay, ngizonibhala hint ne-clue. Okay, bafethu so namhlanje sizokhuluma ngamadlozi sithokozane, right? So masikhuluma ngamadlozi, right? Like I wanna give this picture in a fraction, like to people out there, like if you like I wanna just open up your mind a little bit, like give you a certain clue. So, okay, man. So let's get straight into it, right? Let's come in with it. So, let's come on. So let's come on. Okay. So we just got to like it is a descendant. Umuntu welelo waphila emhlabeni kodwa manje asekho emhlabeni. So sekashonile. La emhlabeni sithi sekandlulile, sekashonile. And then now uyaphila, but now as a spirit. Asaphila ngomzimba waphila ngokomoya, hayi ngokwenyama. So lo muntu loyo simbiza ngani? Ngedlozi, angithi. So well, okay, like there's a debate to which, okay, umuntu uba nini ngedlozi, okay, right? So la sibeka ama-facts, right? It's not an opinion, it's all facts, right? So the minute you die, or the minute your soul moves from your body, right? Like the second is the second you become a Lord. Reason I'm saying this is because now when you are gone, now you connect with the spiritual realm. This is all having one cock, right? Let's say man just having another cock now, so you know I don't know if I'm wrong, but so and then now sekumele kuzakakini, right? Bese bayakulalisa kahle, like bachaza ukuthi okay awusaphila kodwa sophila ngani, socela nje ungabungani usikhansela ungabhidliseli bangithi. So that's how it is, right? So idlozi. And then when it comes to there's one thing we need to understand. Each and every one of us has idlozi, right? Whether you believe in this or not, but each and every one of us has idlozi bafethu. And like amadlozi wethu bafethu, amadlozi wethu awafani. Amadlozi wethu awafani. Nemvelaphi yethu, nempande yethu, ukuza wethu, like our being, usiko lwethu alifani. Singabantu abancane. So we need to understand that and understand who we are and understand the people that we carry. Ukuthi kuzoba ne-clue noma kube nokukhanya ngendlela eyela phambili empumelelweni kwesimo sempilo. So yeah, man, that's it. Ngamadlozi, guys. If anyone has questions or whatever, right? So yeah, man, let's go for a quick ad break, and then ad break, so let's come on path, right? Couldn't see much. Alright, man, welcome back to the ad break. You're still tuned into the insistible corner with your boy Twizzy man. It's what I'm calling. Yeah, man. So as community, man, this is community uphahla, right? Uphahla is indlela, okay? Indlela yokuxhumana nedlozi lakho noma yokuxhumana nabantu. So uphahla varies, like siyenza ngendlela ehlukile thokozani. In different households and in different things. So So ukuphahla bafethu emakhaya ngokwesintu sabantu ekhaya in a household, right? Phahla umuntu omdala. So if wena mdala nenkinga and then you want to talk to ancestors, uzucela umuntu omdala kulelo khaya and then uzokusiza ukuthi uxhumane nabantu abadala, right? And then if you are like single, like ngamakhaya ngithi manje ukuthi sewakhuliswa iy'ngane kusenabazali. So if you are in such cases and circumstances, it is whereby now wena usuyayiphakamela usuyihlale uyophahla uxhumane namadlozi wakho and then explain what the transition is, what's going on, and then figure out a way and then bazobuya baxhumane nawo. So indlela zokuphahla ziyahlukana. So sonke siyaphahla, whether again bengaphahla noma bangaphahli ekuphileni wabo, kodwa sonke siyaphahla Thokozani. And then indlela zokuphahla ziyahluka, right? Ihluka ngamadlozi njengoba ngichaza ukuthi amadlozi wethu awafani, right? So masiphahla abantu abadala suke sisebenzisane impepho abantu abadala Thokozani. Masisebenzisa impepho nawo suke sisixhumana nemimoya, impepho yemimoya Thokozani. And then sisebenzisa amanzi. Nasisebenzisa amanzi, it is water, it is life. Yafana nekhambi, noma usebenzisa ikhambi uphahla, it is water, it is life, it is liquid Thokozani, iyakhanya Thokozani. And then sibuye sisebenzise amakhandlela, right Thokozani, loyo umlilo angithi Thokozani. And then sibuye sisebenzise iy'nefu nani ney'mpuphu nani, lezi zinto zomhlaba Thokozani, umhlabathi Thokozani. So it is these 4 elements that connect us to abantu abadala noma abantu abasebalele ngaleso sikhathi Thokozani. So umuntu-ke makaphahla, right? Say for instance nikhuleka ukuthi like mhlawumbe bengingaphahla nje beningayenzi lento le ningamakholwa yini babathandaza kakhulu ngesanusi, noma isiphiwo sesanusi, like ukuthandazela izinto zenzeke isitho sesanusi lezo. Like if in such cases kuyake niphuya endleleni enjalo, then wena usumuntu uphahla asebenzisa iy'mpepho namakhandlela ney'nefu nani. So what you're going to do is uzosebenzisa amanzi nempuphu yakini, angithi amanzi wakini nempuphu yakini. So uhambe esidulini, angithi masufika esidulini, angithi uzofika-ke usuyaphahla-ke ukhulume nedlozi lakho esidulini, udle le mpuphu, udle amanzi, ukhwife lapha, usukhuluma nedlozi lakho-ke lapha, bese izinto usayenzeka usuthola iy'mpendulo zakho-ke. Loyo umuntu okhulele ekhayeni elingaphahlwa kule nje baphila ngomthandazo amakholwa-ke lapho. Bese-ke ebantwini abadala, umuntu okhulele ekhaya ukuthi ikhaya kube kuyaphahlwa, loyo muntu loyo kumele aqale ayobika kuqala emuntwini omdala ekhaya, ukuthi umuntu omdala ekhaya azobika edlozini ukuthi idlozi lizomamukela ukuthi yena azokwazi ukuyikhulumela kusasa, azomele azwakale injalo. Bese-ke maye ukuthi ekhayeni nizala mhlawumbe kuyabheda nje abazali bekuyelo kashone nje kubi, usuke uyayihambela-ke manje usuzophakama ehlane uyozenzela leso sinto, kodwa awuziyenzi lesi zinto ungahlambulukile, ngathi noma ngingezwa kahle. Awuyi lapha emahlathini ushisa impepho lapho ubize idlozi ungagezekile, because the first thing that's going to happen masushisa impepho kusosondela wonke amadlozi. Ungakhohlwa phela mawushisa impepho ifana nefunkolo, mawushisa impepho bonke labantu bayasondela. Ingakho uma usukhuluma lapho you need to be specific ngenkulumo yakho. And then throughout your process you're going to be uzokhuluma so, right? So you need to be specific now.